Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to remove duplicate response in Google Chrome. Let's get started. Take a blank form, give the title name, add the email option, go to setting, default email address, create the question, go to preview head of top and click the e icon, fill up the form, go to from edit and response, click the Google Sheet, create a new sheet, and create select the all data and go to data cleanup, remove duplicate, check mark the column B and remove duplicate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.